Hey everybody, welcome to the ROI Hacks channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you step by step how to create an Instagram business account on your mobile phone. If you want to get more details about creating Instagram business accounts, like why it makes sense to switch from a personal Instagram account to a business account, check out our comprehensive blog post on roihacks.com or our other video where we also explain the many benefits you will get when you switch to an Instagram business account from a personal Instagram account. Links to the video and blog post can be found in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Instagram profile followers, more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Instagram profile growth checklist that you can download from our website, roihacks.com, as we are currently giving it away for free. With this free Instagram profile growth checklist, you're going to be able to audit the setup of your Instagram profile, get tips to improve your Insta posts. You're also going to get access to our Instagram engagement tactics. And last but not least, you're also going to get our Instagram profile promotion tactics that actually work to get you more Instagram likes and followers. Links to the free 44-point checklist is in the description below. So if you want to create an Instagram business account, you first have to create a personal Instagram account, and then you can switch that account to a business account. So the first step is obviously to download the app to your phone and open it and sign out from another account if you have already created another account. And then you can either sign up with your phone or with your email. So I'm going to sign up now with my phone. So add an email address, then click on next. And now you will get a confirmation code to the email you have provided. So this will be a 6-digit code that you can add, and then click on next. And then you have to add the name and the password. So if this is a business, you can add the name of the business here, so you don't have to enter your own first and last name. And once you added your passwords, and then you can either click on continue without syncing contacts or sync contacts. As it's a business account, I won't continue sync with my contacts. You can also add your birthday, as it's a business account, it's not really important. You can add anything and click on next. And basically that's it. As you can see, Facebook says, welcome to Instagram ROI Hacks. Find people to follow and start sharing photos. You can change your username anytime. You can either change your username, but you can change it later, or click on next. You can add a profile photo here, but you can also add it later, so I will skip it now. And Facebook will also recommend a lot of celebrities and stuff like that, but you can just skip this. And now your Instagram personal account is created. As Instagram says, welcome to Instagram. And basically that is the first step you have to do. And now we can switch our account to a business account. So once you have created your personal Instagram account, all you have to do is switch to a business account. So you can do that by tapping on your profile here. Then click on this hamburger menu on the top right of the screen. Then click on settings on the bottom here. And then tap on account here. And at the bottom you can see here that switch to professional account. And tap on this one. So click on continue here. So now Instagram will require to choose a business category that your business is described by. So you can choose anything that applies to you. Click education. You can choose whether you want to display this category label. I will disable it. And then tap on done. And then the next step is to choose between a business account and a creator account. A creator account is more designed for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. You can also review your contact info here, so now I will skip this one. You can also connect it to a Facebook page. This is also very important, as connecting to a Facebook page is also necessary for using some features like cross-posting Facebook and using Facebook shops or Instagram shops that are also necessary. But now we'll just skip this step. And as we can see, now we have switched to a business account. We can use the ad insights, we can run ads from this Instagram page, and many more. Alright, before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Instagram profile growth checklist that we use to 10x the number of followers. Keep in mind that we are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for roihacks.com and add the keywords Instagram profile growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing an Instagram profile, make sure you check out our Instagram marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.